This is Rakesh from Chandigarh Polytechnic EC department. Now here we are going to start with our microcontroller programming in Keel software. Here our aim is the assembly language program, that is the PC based, and for this apparatus that is required for this programming is the Keel software we are going to use here. We have the first program here. Write a program to multiply the contents of two registers and place the result in register R4. Here we will take two contents in the two different registers and we will multiply them by using mul a into b command, and after that we will place the result in register R4. Here this is the program for multiplication of two numbers. First of all, we have placed 03 in register B and second number, that is the 02, and we have placed this number in register A, that is the accumulator. For multiplication, we have to move our one of the number in accumulator. It is the compulsory condition. Second number we can store in any of the register, say register B, but for multiplication we will use only register A and register B for our multiplication program. So here we have move over two contents, that is the 03 and 02. 03 has been moved or loaded into register B and 02 has been loaded into register A. Now there is a need to multiply both these number. So for this we have an assembly instruction, that is the mul A into B. This instruction will multiply both of these numbers, and after the multiplication the result will automatically store in register A, that is the accumulator. Now in this program we also have to place the result in register R4. It means there is a need to shift the result that is stored in the accumulator register, that is the A register. The result have to be moved in register R4. So here we will take a assembly instruction, that is the move R4 comma A. This instruction will move the result that is stored in the accumulator in the register R4. Then we will end the program. This is the program for multiplication. Now we will open our Keel software. First of all, we will go to project. Here we will select new micro vision project. Here we have to give its file name. Let us say microcontroller first program. Now we will save. Now here is a need to select the IC. Randomly we can select any company name for the selection of IC. Here let us say we will select NXP, that is the Philips. Let us randomly select this because this is the PC based programming, so we can select any one of the controller that has been mentioned here. You can select any one of the controller that have been given here. Now we will write the program. We will go to file. then select new. This is the window for writing the program. We will just copy paste from here that we have write the program for multiplication of two numbers. We have copied this program and will paste here. After pasting the program here, you have to save the program. But here we have to give the extension with .s or .asm, that is the assembly language program. We will give here .s extension and will save the program. Now our program has been saved here. Now we will move to target. Under target, we will find the source group 1. Now here we have to right click on the source group 1 and have to add existing file to the source group 1. The existing file is the mc1.s program that we have right in this window. Now you can find here we have entered the mc1 program under the source group 1. Now we will build the target. Here you can see we have built the target that shows the 0 error. Now we will check our program output by pressing the debug button. Here you can see the resultant window. This is the run button. We will run our program that we have write. You can see here the accumulator contains the result, that is the 3 into 2, that we have multiplied. 3 into 2 is equal to 6, and 6 has been stored in the accumulator. After that, this instruction moves the result of accumulator into register R4. You can check here the register R4 also contain the result, that is the 06. That accumulator also contains the result, because by default our result has been stored in the accumulator. Now this instruction moves the result from accumulator to register R4. You can also change the location of a destination result. You can select any one of the register. Let us see, we again have to go back to our main window. Here you can change the register name. Let us say we have selected R2. Now again you have to save the program and build the target again. Here you can see this shows the 0 error. You again have to go to debug button. If this is not available here, you can go here, the debug and start stop debug session. You can press this button. After entering into the resultant window, you can run your program. You can see the result of 3 into 2, that is the 06, has been stored in the accumulator, and this instruction is moving our result from the accumulator to the register R2. Here also you can change your number. Let us see. You again have to go back to your main window. Here you can also change your number. Let us say 0, 5 and 0, 3. Here also I am changing the destination register. Let us say R0. R. Now again you have to save the program and have to build the target. Now you again have to go to debug session Here you have to run your program from here. Here you can see 5 into 3 is equal to 15, and 15 in hexadecimal is written as 0f. Our accumulator register contains 0f, that is the hexadecimal notation of 3 into 5 into 3, that is the 15, and 15 in hexadecimal is represented as f. You can see here the register A, that is the accumulator, contains 0f, and here I have selected R0 register, that is the this instruction moves the result from accumulator to R0. You can see here R0 also contains the result, that is the 0f, and accumulator itself also contains the result, that is the 0f. Now you can stop your running program here by pressing reset. Again, back to our main window. This is the method to use the Keel software. You can write any program and check your program simulation by using the steps that I have mentioned in the procedure. First of all, you just have to follow these 10 steps for simulation of your program. First of all, you have to open the Keel. Then you have to click on the project option in Keel, where you have to select new microvision project option. Then you have to save the project with a file name like MC1 or anything else that you want to take. Then in the fourth step, you have to select any one of the IC manufacturer company, as we have select in our present program, that is the Philips IC. Then you have to press the OK button. Then click on the new file for writing your program. Then you have to save the program by giving extension .s or .asm if you have write your program in assembly language. If you have write to your program in other than assembly language like C, then you have to give extension .c. Then click on the target and add file to the source group 1. After adding the file to the source group 1, you have to build your target by pressing build button or F7. It will show 0 error and 0 warning. Then you have to click on the debug button for checking your program's output. In this, you have to press the run button, and it will show your program's output that is stored in the accumulator as well as in the selected register. As you can see here, you can change your registers also, you can change your data also. This is the process how to use the Keel software for writing your programs in microcontroller. This is the program that we have run, that is the multiplication program. We have multiplied two numbers, and we have simulate it in Keel software. Here are 10 steps for its procedure. You just have to follow these 10 steps to perform the simulation of your program. Thank you.